What's up, guys? It's DJ with Keen's Buildings. This is Chad Reed's 30 by 70 down here in Dade City, Florida. Come check it out. All right, guys, we're just in the front side of this building. It's 30 wide, 20 deep. And Chad wanted us this separation. We got the race shop on the back side that we're gonna go check out here in a little bit. Of course, it's fully climate controlled. And we have the gym, memorabilia, trophies, some other stuff in here too. But what's really surreal is kind of seeing all this as a kid growing up, watching Chad, that kind of being an idol of even myself. Chad is a two-time Supercross champion, former Motocross champion as well. And for Keen's Buildings, it also is awesome because we're very involved in motorsports. Kevin has NHRA dragsters. He has NASCAR Xfinity Series cars, Cup cars. So also like sponsorships further into the Supercross today with RJ Hampshire. So being able to kind of see these things, let these guys do their things with the building, you see how professional it's done, and it's really cool to see. All right, guys, so a little bit about the building. Front side, these are not doors and windows that we include. These are just aftermarket windows and doors that Chad chose. Of course, we provide the frame out and the cutouts for all of that. And then going into further, just being able to kind of see what you could do with your flooring. Now, this is an awesome epoxy job. The guys crushed it on this. This was a referral close to home too for Chad. So those guys knocked that out of the park. And then Chad went ahead and did the full climate control, drywalled walls, and spray foam for the roof. So it feels great in here down here in Florida. So let's go check out this race shop. Come on in. Feels like I'm on MTV Cribs here showing off this building, but we got a 30 by 40 shop here. We got a 12-foot sidewall. It's lit up awesome. The epoxy floor, he changed the color on this. So kind of seeing it once again, it's like, what can I do with my steel building? We give you the shell to put all this cool stuff in. And this is what this is all about. So little bathroom over here to the side. Looks like he's got 4 bikes that go sit in here. So cool little race shop, all the kids, all the different bikes. Obviously a fresh, brand new bike there getting worked on. And another just spot for memorabilia and trophies. Windows and doors, these are aftermarket. We provided the frame outs to him. Opens up, gives him a lot of view out here to the backyard. And we're gonna make our way out there too, because we put a pretty cool 15 by 30 porch to hang out under and watch that backyard. We got another section over here with some pretty cool stuff. And Chad does not mess around. This thing is like immaculate inside. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go check out this little porch we put on the side of the building. This was just another little addition. 12-foot wide porch, framed it all out, made it really nice from the exterior. We'll go check out from the pool side over here what it looks like. This is just to access the house. Give yourself somewhere to kick off the shoes, get away from that weather, and put a little touch to the building. Don't make it look so much like a race shop. Give it that homey look as well. Our entire buildings are metal. That is a 40-year warranty metal. We put vertical siding on this building. We're gonna get up underneath there, show you a 12-inch boxed eave. Chad went with the 412 roof pitch as well, kind of matched the style of the house here. Once again, little things that you add to the buildings. These are 8-foot tall double doors that Chad put in. These are custom in-swing doors. Lighting on the exterior. He's got some security going around the side here. Poured a little bit of extra concrete to walk alongside the building. Always a nice little treat. You want to make sure you review that with your concrete contractor as well. And now we're setting up on the back of this 30 by 15. This is what we call an extended roof line. So you got the lean-to on the side there that actually attaches to the eave of the building. And then you have an extended roof line, which is 2 different models to get like an exterior porch. We went with both of them on this option. It really gives you a wide open feel when you're inside of here. So cool little stuff that gets put onto these things. Again, not a lot of times do we get to see this, but Chad went with a drain inside of the concrete here. This is where all the dirt bikes and the side-by-sides and all the toys get washed undercover here. Gave himself a little bit more concrete there to wash some stuff up on. And just all this little details. You got exterior electrical, exterior air lines so you can hook up and blow stuff off out here as well. You put the ceiling fan to get a little bit of that breeze going. All right, guys, let's step back inside. Let's go through the doors here. We're gonna talk about how do you get one of these buildings, the permitting processes. Chad did permit this building here in Hernando County. Go walk you through what it takes to get your concrete and eventually get your shell on the ground. All right, guys, so once Chad decided that he was gonna use Keen's Buildings and reached out to us, we got Chad into our office. That's about 10 minutes from his home base here in Dade City, Florida. Chad and his wife, Ellie, came in. We sat down. We put this building onto our rendering system. We knew kind of where we wanted to be. We didn't ever think about an interior wall. We really didn't think about an exterior porch off to the side of it. But once we started playing around with it and putting all the features to it and giving ideas, kind of going back and forth with each other, this is ultimately what we came up with. And then we started the permitting process. We went with the concrete and then the building process. So altogether, these are things that go hand in hand, whether it's Chad Reed or your building. Everybody's super important to us here at Keen's Building. So we want to be able to provide all the information and all the resources for you guys. And that's what we're here for. Each one of our locations, we got 7 of them. Reach out, go ask some questions, stop into the office and go see what you're looking for. And we'll put you in the right hands and get you started. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up this video. We cannot thank Chad Reed enough for allowing us to come out and shoot this. Also giving us the opportunity here at Keen's Buildings to build his race shop. So if you like what you saw today, we're going to continue these videos. Please like and subscribe and follow us on all platforms. Thank you.